Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome to another little drawing where we draw little things
Yep.
on little sheets of paper.
Yep.
Here we go.
Ooh.
So for this one, Izzy, we are drawing
Butterfly.
a butterfly. So just here in the middle, we're gonna draw two cute little eyes, like we always do. We're gonna do the reflection if you want to. I know it's small, because it's a tiny drawing, and a little smile and the head. Let me see. Are we almost there? Now I'm gonna draw two little tentacles, just lines like this with a little ball on each one. You have yours?
Yep.
Yep. Okay, so now we have a butterfly has a head. It has a midsection called the thorax. So we just draw another little bit there in the middle. And then a longer part of his body that's called an abdomen. So head, thorax, and abdomen. Then now we're just gonna draw some wings. Now butterfly's wings is basically split into four bits. So like the forewing, the hind wing, and one on either side. So from there, I'm just gonna draw my wing out there and bring it back in. I'm stopping there. Doing the same on this side, bring it back in, stopping there. And then for the other bit, I'm gonna draw a wing going down. Draw like a tail kind of shape. And there. Other side again, tail shape. And then we got that. So there we have our butterfly, but remember, we kind of need to add some legs. So I'm just gonna like add little legs there and there. Yeah, they do, because they land, they sit on things. And there we have a butterfly.
Yep.
You could have the very thin marker. Let's what marker is that? Anyway, 0.5.
Yeah, 0.05.
That's why it's a very thin marker. Anyway, so we can draw patterns on this guy. So in this wing, I'm gonna draw a little pattern there, just to mimic the wing shape. So we can color him in and have different colors going. And yeah, I'm gonna draw like an oval with another oval inside it. The side an oval, another oval inside it. Because butterflies are usually very colorful like that.
Yes.
And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's how butterflies, let's color easy. Here we go. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
There we have our little butterflies. So Izzy has purple wings and orange wings for the hind wings. And I have yellow and blue for the forewing and pink, red and green for the hind wings. Izzy, why did you grab that thin marker? You didn't? It's a very thin marker. It's
I didn't.
0.05. That's so thin. Anyway, he's a very cool little butterfly. We can see his face. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos.
Yep.
And always remember to
Be
be good
and have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.